as the shadow.
In the heart of Staffordshire lies a landscape of rare beauty, a place where ancient woodlands meet open heathlands, and history whispers through the trees. This is Cannock Chase National Landscape.
Sister moon sings a song so sweet.
Stretching across nearly 70 square kilometres, Cannock Chase is one of England's finest areas of outstanding natural beauty.
She sings, cold winds must be endured. Everything's still under a bit of freeze. Seasons must change, don't lament the way.
Its diverse landscape includes ancient woodlands, open heathlands, and winding trails, a haven for wildlife and a peaceful retreat for visitors. Fallow deer roam the undergrowth, rare birds nest in the heath, and butterflies dance in the wildflowers. These precious habitats are carefully protected by dedicated conservationists.
The sun sings a song so sweet. Blooms start to bud. The green world is free. Every spring we are reborn. From the gentle dive to the playful fall.
History runs deep here, from prehistoric burial mounds to remnants of World War training camps and the German War cemetery. The nearby Shugborough estate adds to the region's rich heritage.
It's always been, it will always be. Summer, autumn, winter, and spring. Here comes summer moon with flowers in her hair. The whole wide world shrugging off its grief and cares. Brother dragonfly spreads his rainbow wings, says we must embrace all that sunlight brings. Every summer we are like golden daughters, dancing on the crystal blue lakes. Seasons must change, don't lament the way. It's always been, it will always be. Summer, autumn, winter, and spring. Deep in the wood, but the bear can see the way. The days cool down, the trees begin their change. Father Time is weaving an autumn melody. It's harvest time, the earth yields her seed. Every autumn the bounty of life. Some things must grow and some things must die. Seasons must change, don't lament the way. It's always been.
Cannock Chase is not only a place to explore and enjoy, but also to learn and reflect. Through forest schools and wildlife discovery days, young minds connect with the natural world. This is a living landscape, shaped by time, cared for by people, and open to all.